Yeah, this is the Church of Pentecost IT Guild online training platform. We welcome you to software development class. That's a programming class. In our previous video, we introduced ourselves to what software is, the type of software, the company, the product of software, and then element of programming, and we introduced ourselves to the IDEs. Today, we are going detail into our IDE. The IDE we introduce ourselves to is CodeBlock. That's our development environment that we use, our software application development environment that we use. If you don't know anything about the IDE or the IDE we are using to run this particular program, please, we recommend you to go for CodeBlock, which I've displayed their website on the screen, and then make sure you download this file. That's min-setup.exe. That's execute file. Make sure you download this one is cool. It's a complete file, which when you execute it, you don't need to do any go back to download any other plugins to install before your application will work. At this time, I want us to go straight to our code block, which is our main ID that we are going to use. And before we do that, we learned from our previous video, we learned that when we talk about the display, which is a human language, in programming language, in C++ language, we refer ourselves to the C out. So we have our input and then we have our output. So our input, which is the C in, okay, then our output will now become what? Our C out. So that is it. And at this level, I just want to go straight into our code block. So if you can see it from the screen, I will display our code block to us. Just a minute. So our code block is now on our screen. So as you can see, create new projects. You just click on create new project, and then a dialog will pop up. When you click on it, you will see a pop-up screen. So when the pop-up screen comes, what you have to select is a console application. So if you can see from my screen, you see we have a console application on the screen. So what you are expected to do at this level is click on console. Either you double click or you click once. So you click OK, then you get another dialog on the screen. Okay, another dialog. My screen has appeared dark, but forgive me. Okay, get another dialog on the screen. So when this dialog comes, you just go click on next, and then click on next. Okay, and then you now give the project name. So let's say the project name is pent_p2. What I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to create a new project called pent_p2. As we learned from our previous video, at this level you are not supposed to give space. We don't advise as a programmer. If you want to use space, use underscore. Okay, like what I've done. Remember, this folder, as you are seeing here, this part is a part that you are creating to point your application to. Okay, so you can just click on it like the way I've clicked. When you click on the button there, you find it. Let me see if I can display that one on the screen for us to see. Check it here. That's what, when you click on the button, this is what you see. What this level is trying to tell us is that try and then you select a folder that you are putting your application in. So mine is found at my document, and then on my document I have a project called pent it youtube_t. So you click select a folder. So this is a folder I want to pick. Remember, this is done once. Okay, after picking this product, then you go next and then click on finish. So we are able to create our first project. So after that, you click on the source and then click on .cpp. So after clicking on .cpp, you get this message on the screen. So I want to, as I said, anything quoted, that is why we display for our users to see. Okay, that is why we display for our users to see. So I just want to welcome our users maybe to this application. So this is okay, let's type something like welcome to the Church of Pentecost IT Guild training platform. Okay, so welcome to the Church of Pentecost IT Guild online training platform. So let me bring online training platform. So let me execute our first. For you to execute, you can click on build. You see build. When you click on build from the menu bar, you find build and run icon, or you can press on F9. Anyhow you do it, then you get it. So when you click on it, you see that a pop-up will come. That's a black console will come, showing that if you are right, showing that everything is working well. Okay, if you are right, see that everything is showing well. So let me check my own. Okay, mine has display now, so you can see it from the screen. Okay, so that is it. God bless you for following this training. Expect the next video very soon. Bye.